Here is let's go for the toss. Two captains are ready from the huge match between Gujarat Lions and Mumbai Indians. Let's toss. Head is the call.
Oh, it's head.
Heads. It's Pune Warriors won the toss. What would you like?
Yeah, we want to bet first.
Okay, as you saw that he is elected to bat first on the Chin Stadium. So here Pune Warriors won the toss. What would you like?
Yeah, we want to bet first.
So they will choose the bat first. What's your team?
Yeah, we are playing with the same side. There's no changes.
Okay, there is no changes in his team. As you say, Suresh, it's a wonderful park of the Wankhede Stadium. It's a huge historical ground of the Indian Cricket Association. The boundaries of this ground are pretty short. So, as you said that you elected to bat first, what's in your mind?
Yeah, there's nothing in the pitch, and it will be very easy to bat first. We are looking for the 180 plus. That will be a fine score for us to win the match.
Okay, as you 190 is a very interesting game total. But on the opposite side, there is Kairan Pollard, Rohit Sharma. They are also playing really well for a couple of years. What would you say about these guys?
Yeah, we have the world class bowler as the Parvan Kumar is on our side, and the part of the Kulkarni will play is their part, so we can finish them and their last score.
Suresh, as you said that the spectators of the cricket is said that 250 pulse is a total, should be a total on this ground, but you are saying that 190 is a good total. How can you say this?
Yeah, this is all on the thinking. It's very tough to get the 250 plus. The people can say anything, but if we play on the ground, then we can know that how it's difficult to get 250 plus.
Suresh, as we are seeing that your opener are not really in good touch for this, particularly in this tournament, but how can you said that your team is a good batting side?
Yeah, there's the Brandon McCullum in our side as well as Devon Smith, Dr. Smith. We can say they can change the momentum in only just 2 hours. So we are saying that we can get 190 plus.
Suresh, as you have seen that we have talked with the Rohit Sharma, particularly with respect to this pitch. He said if he won the toss, he would elect to bowl first, but you choose the bat first. How can you say?
Yeah, they have the strong bowling lineup here, and there are some of the major mistakes in our bowling side. If we give the total to our bowlers, then they can complete on this total. So that's the thing.
Suresh, as we are seeing that you are also not in very good touch, particularly in this tournament. But on the previous year, you batted pretty well. But on this tournament, you are not in such a kind of good touch. How can you come out from this your flopness?
Yeah, there's lots of pressure on me because of the new team that is the Gujarat Lions, and I am the captain of this team. So that's not so easy if you are a captain of any side and to play all the major roles of your teams, and all the responsibilities are on your shoulders as a captain. So I'm searching for my form. I will try my best in this match.
We are seeing that this is a Wankhede historical ground of the Indian Cricket Association. There is a local ground for the Mumbai Indians. There is also a psychological advantage for the Mumbai Indians, but we are seeing that there is a also pretty well bowling for the Mumbai Indians. How can you say?
Yeah,
Of these kind of bowlers that we have seen, there is Lasith Malinga and many such kind of tremendous bowler in the Mumbai Indians.
Yeah, it's a plus point for the Mumbai Indians that they are playing on the home ground. But as we look in the top order, the Rohit Sharma is coming back up. The Leonard Simon is dropped today, so their batting is not in the good form. You cannot win the match by the bowling side. You have to with strong batting lineup. That's
Okay.
the plus point for us.
Okay, thanks, Suresh.
Okay.
Thanks. So, her news from the center. Pune Warriors have won the toss. They would elect to bat first. That's our commentator.